Want to see how I got this color? Then keep watching.
Little baby, you got it, swear you the hottest product of your environment. Let's get away, hit the tropics. Anything you want, I cop it, baby. Humorous intellect with a smile that just drive me crazy. Yeah, that's my...
To lighten my roots, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal HiColor in the shade Vanilla Champagne. And I'm going to be mixing that with the 40 volume developer. So I just followed the box on how much developer to use for this hair color. And I'm just squeezing it all out right now because we don't want to leave nothing behind because we didn't pay too much money for this, okay? So yeah, that's what I'm just doing here. So now we're just going to mix them both together. Make sure they're all mixed real good before we apply to the hair. So this is the consistency you want to have for it. And now we're all ready to go. So after you have finished applying it all to your hair, you're going to let it sit for about 20 minutes.
Dollars, I like diamonds, I like stunning, I like shining, I like $1,000,000 deals. Where's my pen? Bitch, I'm signing. I like those Balenciagas, the ones that look like socks. I like going to the Tula. I put rocks all in my watch. I like Texas from my...
So after the 20 minutes, this is what we have. Okay, so now the fun part. We're going to be mixing Adore Cajun Spice with Adore Copper Brown. I also like squirted a little bit of paprika in there that I didn't show. So I just wanted to let y'all know that. But yeah, so I used the whole bottle of the Cajun Spice and then like a few squirts of the Copper Brown and then the paprika. So now that I have it all over my hair, I'm actually gonna let it sit for longer than it says because I don't have a dryer, so I let it sit for 2 hours. And this is what we have after.